Hi guys, my name is Assam. In this series, I'll show you how I am transforming my backyard entirely on my own without any prior experience in construction or using any heavy equipment. The goal of this project is to create a sunken sitting patio along with a koi fish pond. This is an inspiration picture from Pinterest that I intend to build for this project. I started this project by digging a 20 by 10 by 4 feet hole. I'm just throwing the dirt on the other side of my yard because I wanted it to use it to backfill. Here you will see me regretting starting this project every 5 seconds, but oh well, happens. I learned if I till the soil, it's much easier for me to remove it as there are like no stones in the soil. And after digging for countless hours, this is the outcome. I ran out of space to dump dirt, so here I am moving 600 cinder blocks one by one. This was some back-breaking task, but fortunately I had this gorilla cart, which really helped me in finishing this task. This was not only physically challenging task, but it took way too long to finish it. As you could see that I started during daytime and I worked way into the evening. I think it took me around 6 to 8 straight hours of working without any break. After moving all of the cinder blocks, I started breaking this 8-inch concrete pad using a jackhammer that I bought from Amazon. Here I am breaking the rebar using an angle grinder. One thing I would want to say is that if you decide to use an angle grinder for your projects, please make sure to cover up your face with proper protection. That's it for the first video. If you want to see longer format videos with more explanation, please let me know in the comment section and I'll see you in the next one.